Hello everyone, welcome back to Worker TV. Today we're shining a spotlight on the unsung heroes of our cities and towns, the highly skilled construction workers. These men and women transform blueprints into magnificent buildings and reshape our landscapes with their hard work and expertise. Let's dive in. Hundreds of workers are coordinating to move a long cable into place. Watching them work together is like seeing a giant snake in motion. This worker is carrying bricks that weigh twice as much as he does. This worker is moving bricks using his hand. Do you know why they use this method? These craftsmen are using thousands of glass bottles to build the walls of a house instead of traditional bricks. This creative method adds a unique touch to their home but raises questions about the safety of these unconventional walls. These workers are driving a pile with impressive synchronization. Two workers are quickly applying waterproof layers to their roof before laying tiles on top, ensuring no water can seep into the house. With teamwork, 3 workers make smoothing out a concrete floor look easy. Instead of plaster, these workers have chosen to use earth for their walls. The earth will help keep the house warm in winter and cool in summer. As for water resistance, only time will tell. A team of workers opted for a prefabricated pool rather than building one on site. This decision saved a lot of construction time. A solid wall is quickly built thanks to a machine and the skilled hands of a worker. To prevent rainwater from seeping into the house, this worker hangs outside to apply waterproof paint. Instead of tiling or using wood for flooring, these workers chose to lay down a metallic plastic layer to give the room a fresh look. This worker is applying plaster to a wall with incredible strength. The quality of the cement used is crucial because it ensures the strong bonding of materials. If inferior materials are used, you'll have to remove them, just like this wall. This worker is expertly replacing round-shaped bricks. gravel underneath and then placing bricks on top. This worker ensures that the pathway to his house will drain well and avoid flooding. To fit drywall into a door frame, this worker soaked the drywall in water and shaped it as needed. What do you think of this method? A roof tiled with stone slabs provides excellent durability and insulation for the house. However, replacing damaged slabs is no simple task. It requires the same skill and precision that this worker is showing. With this tool, the drywall sealing worker can quickly tape and join the drywall seams effortlessly. This worker is shaping molten glass into beautiful patterns. With the skilled hands of a craftsman, you won't even notice the carpet has been repaired once the job is done. It's almost like magic as this worker makes a wall patch disappear, leaving no trace of the repair. Images are pre-programmed into a computer, and this machine's task is to print exactly what was programmed onto this wall. The painter is applying a waterproof blue coat to his house while suspended in midair. The workers are meticulously reorganizing the rigid insulation box.